Hi lovely people, it's Rachel and welcome back to my channel if you are a returning viewer, or welcome if you are a new person visiting for the first time. I am planning out in... This is an Erin Condren vertical planner. It's the colourful edition and it is an 18-month going through to December next year. And as next week has got the 1st of July in it, albeit on Sunday, this is the first week that I can really plan in it. Now I say plan, but what this is actually going to be, or what this is it is my test planner for the shop. It's where I'll be testing different layouts, it's where I test different kits and ideas, and I do use my own kind of plans and things to base that on. It just happens to be that I won't necessarily write in it or, you know, fill anything out. But it's there then as a record of all the kits that I have created and different things like that. So what we're going to do in this video is I'm going to set up the monthly view and notes pages as I would, and use the sail away kit that I have, which you can use in June, July, August, so I'm going to use it in July obviously. And there is the whole matching collection to this, so it is available as a kit as well. So let's make a start with the notes page. So the notes page, this is actually an old style one because it's got the circles, but that's fine because I want a record of this kit anyway. Oh, throwing stickers across the desk there. And I thought that if I'm going to do these kind of, you know, sort of test layouts or whatever, I thought if you have things you would like me to waffle on about whilst I am stickerating, then that would be absolutely fine. So if you have ideas for what you would like me to have a waffle about next time, please leave that in the comments down below and I'll see what I can do. Okay, so I'm not going to necessarily put the... Ooh, am I going to put the circles in? Yes, but I'm going to do them in a different place because I'm going to put this next. Oh, this is me not remembering if my measurements are the same in the old as the new. So yeah, so I was thinking that I would basically call these type of videos, rather than calling them a plan with me, because let's face it, it's not going to be that accurate to call it a plan with me. I thought I would call them a stickerate with me. Those of you who perhaps are a little bit newer to EllieBeth Designs, stickerate is a word that I came out with, not as in, you know, I came out with it, I released it. No, I was doing a video and I literally just could not say the word sticker and decorate at the same time. I was talking about how using stickers in your planner to decorate with was really something I really enjoyed and why I found it useful and beneficial. And yeah, I tried to say sticker and decorate at the same time, and so the word stickerate was born, which is now used in the sort of EllieBeth community as, you know, the act of planning with stickers is to stickerate. So, and oh, I've got a little, oh, I've got to use every sticker on the sheet, so I'm going to put a little anchor in there, just because I can. So yeah, so we have the word to stickerate. We have the term stickerate, which it is a very, very lovely word, you know. The question is though, if you indulge in stickerating, are you a stickerator? A stickerette? That sounds too close to Nicorette for my liking. But yeah, I should really have lined these up with the lines. I've done a rubbish job there, but never mind. I'm going to sort that out in a minute. Thanks to the magic of repositionable stickers. Thank goodness they are, because I would be so stuck if I couldn't just rearrange things. Because I can never stick straight, or stickerate straight. That's still wonky, but it'll do. Okay, so slightly different layout there. And then I'm just going to pop down these as though they'll be headers. Apologies if you can hear the girls in the background. It is Sunday evening. It seems to be getting fairly warm, and yeah, when it gets warm they tend to get... Yeah, Yeah, that would be Luke demonstrating how loudly the children are speaking. Anyway. Anyway, yes, very giddy children. I think it comes with having a puppy in the house. I'm not going to bother with the dots, and I'm not actually going to put much of that on either. But, oh, I know what I'll do with that. Yes. Okay, so if you've not already, grab yourself a brew. I have. In the new style of kit, let me see if I've got one here. A couple of little changes to this. There we go. So you've still got your big box, but this becomes a currently section, the notes bar, and then instead of this habit tracker, which I found was quite bulky and took up a lot of space, and if you didn't need all that, you've just got single ones and extra washi strips and some more boxes as well for lists. So that's the change there. Right, let's go and have a look at July now. So let's do the month. Now, I am not going to be changing my monthly kits to leave out this box at the bottom. If you want the next month's calendar visible, then you can just trim the sidebar. But for me, I'm going to cover it over. Okay, on we go. Right. Again, you can see it is in very slightly different measurements. That's okay, because we'll just work up from the bottom and jig everything along. Okay, I'm going to leave mine as a Sunday to Saturday. I don't know whether I might not put my days in actually. I don't know. Let's see. Right. So the way that these work with the whole choose which month you want to use them in is the top strip of washi on the page. These will have part of that picture in, and you can just line it up. So I'll show you what I mean. Get that corner in there. Always line to the bottom left corner. And then across. There we go. So this is July, so take off the July, find the bit that it matches, and then just kind of get it in the right place. There we go. Seamless. And the other two that you get, again, now there's been a little tweak there, and that it will just be 2 months from now on. But you can always use that as a forward planning sticker if you're using it in the first month, or you might use it as a review sticker depending on what you want to do. Okay, let's pop the other strip across the other side. I love the sea, so this artwork is just perfect for me. And of course the Cocoa Daisy kit for July is all ocean themed as well, which is really nice. I did film a setup video for that if you've not already seen it, so do take a peek. Right, I'm going to need to grab some scissors because on this second page as well there are 2 strips of washi, but there are some cut lines indicated, and they are to trim it down to fit the extra boxes of the Erin Condren. So I'm just going to grab my scissors. And a ruler for good measure. Haha, that was a really awful pun, wasn't it? Let me think, what do I want? Do I want bows, or do I want... No, I want more sea life. So I'm just going to cut this here because I need a 3 and a 1. Oh, no, cut it there because then it'll match up going across the page. There we go. And that should fit here for the 1st of August. That will do if I can actually stick straight. You see that big coil's getting in the way now. There we go. And then put the other one in. There we go. And then that has actually come out a little bit longer. Oh, they do always tweak things a little bit, do you see? There we are. So tuck that under and it's perfect. And then I could, if I wanted to, add in the dates, which I very well may do, and I am actually going to add in the day covers at the top. And the purpose of having them all individual is so that you can change it to run either Sunday to Saturday, or if you prefer your month to go Monday to Sunday on the weeks, you can have that, because they're just separate. So, and also if you are using my stickers in something like a bullet journal, which a fair few people are doing now actually, it's been really good to see, then again you've got the option of just creating your own monthly layout with them. So I love seeing the creativity of everybody, it's brilliant. There's some fantastic YouTubers out there, so do take a look. There's people like Natalie over at Crafting Out Loud and Robin at My Life Planned Out. They both use bullet journals. And then over on Instagram there's Sophie Ball on my design team. She's Penguin Planner with 3 N's in planner. So yes, there's quite a few. Oh, I'm feeling it guys. I'm gonna put the other ones in. I just want to stickerate today. There's that word again. So put the little flags in. The date flags put down, and I always find it easier to line something up to the bottom left corner, which is just because I'm right-handed, so that's why I always flip it around. Right, the other thing that I've got is the functional add-on, which has got different words. It's got some headings for goal areas that you might set goals in, some other icons, birthday balloons, a bit of deco, lots of labels, and kind of a currently prompt section. This has changed on the newer monthly kits because it's been incorporated into the kits themselves, but I'm going to use this, I think, just to add some extra bits into the month, and also, as I say, it's just marking what I've actually done with it. So the first thing that I want to put in is my daughter's birthday on Sunday the 1st, and then it's my brother's birthday on the 18th. I'm going to mark in the What's New Wednesdays, which are going to be the 2nd and 4th Wednesdays of July. We're going to go with the 11th and the 25th. So if you've got your planner handy, you might just want to mark that down. I want to put some different goals down here. So events in this one, and these are just kind of there as little reminders. Personal goals, I want to put in something about work goals. And also we've got some financial stuff coming up, things renewing, insurances to do, bills to pay, so I'm going to put those there. Oop, skipping ahead a bit there, wasn't I? And then anything else, right, payday. So payday will be, it's 15th for Luke, so it's actually going to be the 13th. And no school is from the 23rd onwards, because that is when the holidays start. Goodness me. No school holiday. Yeah, that's going to say like no school holiday. No, I don't want that. Let's put a bow on to sort of, actually I think I can, so I will. I'm going to use the holiday with the school and cover up the no. Yeah, that's
quite cute. I like that.
Okay. Any other reminders? Yes. So we have got, was I just thinking then? I've got haircuts booked. Nail appointment. So I've got haircuts on Saturday. Shall I put that now? We'll put that there. There is Creative Faith in the morning, so I'll just put an event label in for that. What else have we got going on? I should know this. I really should. Any other appointments? I can't think. Never mind, that's fine. Oh, school summer fair is Monday the 2nd. Then it'll be men's on the 17th for Luke in the evening. I've got worship group every Wednesday, but that's kind of a standard thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Huh. I was wondering about putting recurring appointments on that sidebar, just as an idea, but I wanted to do that as a currently list. So I'm going to put my little currently prompts. So we're going to have crafting, we're going to have reading, feeling, watching, planning, loving, celebrating, improving. Oh, I like that one. I'm not going to do the gratitude because I do that elsewhere, but I'm going to put going. See, now I'm setting this up as though it's my planner, aren't I? But I know what I mean. Okay, so I don't think there's much else that I want to put in at this stage. Obviously there's nothing cancelled. Oh, bill due. Yes, we have house insurance renews on the 20th. And I think I have to pay the rest of the money for our holiday on the 22nd. There we go, that will do. So I'm going to pop a little few sort of decorative bits in here and there. Let's pop those in. Where should we have you? Let's have you up here. Oh, I think they look quite cute. Oh, and there is a big anchor on that one, thought there was. I'm going to put you up there.
Right, so that is it for my little kind of stickerate with me this time round. I hope you've enjoyed that, perhaps give you some ideas for your monthly view. And the next one that you see me do is going to be the first week of June. The first week of June, the last week of June and the first week of July, the first day of July. And the next one you see me do is going to be the last week of June going into the first day of July. So until next time, lovely people, have a fabulous day and I shall speak to you again soon. Bye.